everybody. In discussing liquidity management transfers, or LMTs, you're probably wondering, is there any limit on the transfers of these LMTs, of what they can be? The answer is yes, actually, yes. Yes, there will be and are limits on liquidity management transfers between financial institutions when they are transfers of funds between each other to really just, again, support instant payment activity, even though it's between financial institutions. Again, like I said, these are transfers between financial institutions, and they're going to have much higher limits than what we see in the regular FedNow service for the transfers between financial institutions, because it's not your account holders. Before the limits, though, let's discuss when you'll be able to make transfers. Well, LMTs will be available from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Eastern Time on weekdays and 24 hours a day on weekends and holidays. Basically, when FedWire is closed. See, these hours, they help financial institutions manage the liquidity during the times that the FedWire funds transfer service is not available. Now, on the LMT limits, there is a per transaction value limit, and the LMT per transaction value limit is currently 2.5 million. But financial institutions can set their limit to be lower if they wish it to be. There's also a cumulative daily limit. That cumulative daily limit, that's 10 million. And I got to say currently. For security purposes, LMT activity is going to, of course, be monitored to ensure that LMTs are being used for the intended purpose. Now, a question comes up. Why did he say currently? Because will these limits ever change? Yes, they will. This is one of those areas that the Fed will, when needed, revisit, reevaluate, and ensure that the service is working as needed. Over time, I do believe we will see the limits rise based on the success of the FedNow network. And who will these LMTs benefit? Well, remember, LMTs can be used for financial institutions to help fund other financial institutions within the FedNow network. But they can also be used to fund RTP payments over in the clearinghouse private sector faster payments network. So multiple uses right there. And one last question. How much will LMTs cost? If you've got a payments question, I'm here to help. And all you have to do is email me, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com. You can leave comments below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because at the Payments Professor, we make learning payments fun, engaging, and somewhat entertaining. For now, class dismissed.